Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one, I will show you how to make transparent text in CapCut. So it's pretty simple. So I just want you to focus on the video and just watch because it's gonna be so easy. So to get a really good transparent text in CapCut, you first have to upload your video, and then you go to text and you input your text just like what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna be writing down the text here, and then after you adjust it, now you should go to animations. Okay, just go to animations and then you move to loop over here, and then that's where you have to look for something called the image overlay effect. And when you see it, just sadly, it's not a free effect, but it is a very good way to have a nice mirror-like transparent effect on your text in CapCut. So like, it's a very it's a CapCut Pro feature. So you have to consider that because there's a lot of things that aren't free in CapCut, but it is free once you get to learn it in other video editors, and you should go check it out. So I hope you learned something from this video. Goodbye, and yeah, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.